Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of grill accessories with a game changer, the RESILIA Extra Large Under Grill Mat. Let me tell you, this isn't just any ordinary grill mat. It's the best, sin tacos no entras mat you can find. Now, what sets the RESILIA mat apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, this mat offers heavy-duty protection. Made from flame-retardant, flexible PVC vinyl, it shields your floor from grease, oil, charcoal, rust, and more. Say goodbye to those pesky stains and spills. And here's the best part, cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash it with water, and it looks brand new again. No need to worry about stubborn stains or grime buildup. Plus, it's made with eco-friendly materials, so you can grill with peace of mind. But wait, there's more. The RESILIA mat comes in various sizes and colors to suit your needs and style. Whether you have a small grill or a large one, there's a perfect fit for you. And with options like black orange peel or diamond plate finish, you can add a touch of flair to your outdoor space. So there you have it, folks. If you want the best protection for your patio or deck while grilling up a storm, look no further than the RESILIA Extra Large Under Grill Mat. Don't let spills ruin your outdoor fun. Get your hands on one of these mats today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Until next time, happy grilling!